Hi students, this is Suresh. Welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, in this class we are going to learn how to solve some problems by using elimination method. So let us start our class. All of you open page number 92. Observe the exercise 4.2 first problem. Form a pair of linear equations for each of the following problems and find their solutions. The first problem is the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly income. Here in the problem we are given monthly incomes of two persons and their expenditures given, and according to the problem each person saves 2000 rupees per month. We have to find the monthly incomes of the two persons. So let us study how to solve this problem. So here in the problem two quantities are given. They are income and the expenditure. So let us assume that income of the persons be X and the expenditure be Y units. Let me write here. Let income be X and expenditure be Y. If you observe the given problem here, the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. So what is the ratio of incomes? The ratio of income of two persons equal to 9:7. So this is the income of first person and this is the income of the second person. So here we assume income equal to X. So income of the first person be equal to income of first person equal to 9x, and similarly income of second person is equal to 7x. Okay, these are the incomes of two persons. 9x is the income of first person and 7x is the income of second person. So here the ratios of expenditure is also given. So what is the expenditures ratio? The ratio of expenditures equal to 4:3. So here we assume that expenditure is Y. So expenditure of the first person equal to 4y and expenditure of the second person equal to 3y. So right here expenditure of first person equal to 4y and similarly expenditure of second person equal to 3y. From this problem we have to create two equations. So observe carefully how I am converting this statement in the form of equations. Generally we use some amount from our income to our needs, so that is expenditure, and then we save the remaining amount. From that concept we can easily convert given statements in the form of equations. According to the problem, each of them saves 2000 rupees per month. That means first person saves 2000 rupees and second person also saves 2000 rupees. So let me write here. According to the given problem, first person savings equal to 2000 rupees. That is, we have to subtract his expenditure from his income. So that is the saving result. So what is his expenditure and what is his income here? Here the first person income is 9x rupees and his expenditure is 4y rupees. So 9x minus 4y. This gives the result of his savings. So what is his savings according to the problem? That is 2000 rupees. Therefore 9x minus 4y equal to 2000 rupees. Got it? Similarly, second person also saves 2000 rupees. That means second person saving equal to 2000 rupees. That is, his income is 7x. And from this income, he uses the amount for expenditure is 3y rupees. That is 3y. So his income is 7x rupees and his expenditure is 3y rupees. So we have to subtract his expenditure from his income and the remaining amount he saves. So what he saves according to the problem? 2000 rupees. So that is, this is the second equation. By solving equation 1 and equation 2, we can get the monthly income amount. So solve equation 1 and equation 2. Dear students, if you select the elimination method for solving a pair of linear equations, we have to eliminate one of the variables. Here I wish to eliminate y variable. So that's why we have to make them. That means we have to make the y variables as numerically equal. Here y coefficient is minus 4 and here in the equation 2 y coefficient is minus 3. So to eliminate them, we have to make them numerically equal. Here in the first equation y coefficient is minus 4 and in the second equation y coefficient is minus 3. So the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So to get the 12y, we have to multiply the equation 1 by 3. And similarly, to get the 12y, we have to multiply the equation 2 by 4. So now let me write here. I am multiplying equation 1 by 3. So that is equation 1 into 3. That implies I am multiplying entire equation by 3. 9 into 3, 27x. 3 into minus 4y minus 12y is equal to 3 into 2000. That is 6000. And now I am multiplying second equation by 4 because we need 12y. So that's why we have to multiply the second equation by 4. So that's why I am multiplying the entire equation 2 by 4. 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28x. 4 into minus 3y minus 12y is equal to 4 into 2000. That is 8000. Here I wish to eliminate y variable. Here the variable to be eliminated has same symbols. So that's why we have to subtract second equation from the first equation. That means we have to change the second equation symbols. So here the 28x is, here the 28x has plus symbol. So that's why it becomes minus, and similarly 12y has minus symbol. So that's why it becomes plus symbol. And 8000 has plus symbol, that's why it becomes minus symbol. Here plus 12y and minus 12y, get cancelled and simplify the remaining values. 27x minus 28x, the result is minus x, is equal to 6000 minus 8000, the result is minus 2000. Here minus minus get cancelled, so therefore finally the x value is 2000. X means, we assume at starting x means income is x, so x equal to, here x represents income, so therefore income equal to 2000. According to the problem, we need monthly incomes, so that's why income of first person equal to what is the income of first person here? Income of first person equal to 9x, that is 9 into x. Here what is the value of x? 2000. So substitute x equal to 2000 here. 9 into 2000, that equal to 18,000. Similarly, income of second person, equal to 7x, that is 7 into 2000, that equal to 14,000. So these are the incomes of persons. Income of first person equal to 18,000 and income of second person equal to 14,000. Okay students, take a screenshot of this problem and note this problem in your classwork notes.